Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find these hidden earrings in the VIP section on Dress to Impress. So you do need to go to the VIP section, and if you see here, there's actually these really cute cuff earrings that I've actually just seen right now. So I'm just going to select it, and here you can color the earrings to different colors as you like to. And yeah, that's how you can find these super cute cuff earrings that I just saw today. Maybe if you've seen them, that's good for you, but I'm just making a tutorial in case you guys have not seen them yet. But that is where you can find the, I don't know, cuff earrings. What are they called actually? But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.